Dobro jutro, prijatelji! Today we're gonna explore the world with pancakes. So, let's see what the world has to offer.
So our first pancake will be the good old American pancake. So into our pot goes 200 grams of flour, 3.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of butter, 1 egg, a pinch of salt, and 350 milliliters of milk. And then we take our whisk and just whip. And to make our pancakes, we take a pan, bring it to a medium heat, make sure it's medium, this is the way you get a nice color by the way. And then we take our batter and let it spread by itself. When it's nice and bubbly like this, it means it's done and we can flip it. So use your spatula. Damn, that's how it has to be. Alright, this one is done. Let's see what else the world has to offer. Next we're gonna make some German pancakes. Depending on which region you are, they're called Pfannkuchen or Eierkuchen or just simply Plinsen. To make them we take 130 grams of flour, pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 whole egg, 250 milliliters of milk and just whip it with a whisk. Try to spell this one 3 times in a row. This took me ages to record. Whip it with a whisk. Alright, to cook them we just grease our pan, pour it over, spread it nicely. Now I'm gonna teach you how to do the magic pancake flip. To do so, make sure that the pancake isn't sticking to the pan. You take the pan, you push it to the front and then just do the flip. My grandma taught me, take a shitty pancake, take it off the stove, take your time and just learn the flip. And keep repeating till you mastered it. This one's done, let's see what else we got. Now we're gonna do some Croatian pancakes called palačinke. Into our bowl goes 120 grams of flour, 1 pinch of salt, 2 whole eggs, a tablespoon of oil, I'm gonna use some of my butter, 50 milliliters of milk and 200 milliliters of soda. Make sure to get the one with a lot of carbon dioxide. And then we also gonna whip it with a whisk. To cook them, we're gonna grease our pan, put in our batter. Once it's nice and brown, we're gonna flip it. Yeah, I screwed this one, but it's still tasty. This one's done as well. Let's check out the last one. So now we're gonna make some vegan pancakes. I've got this recipe from a friend of mine. Thank you, Fabi. So into our bowl goes 1 whole banana, 6 tablespoons of flour, 6 tablespoons of a vegan milk, your choice. I took almond milk, but you can also take soya. 3 teaspoons of baking powder. Then we're gonna take a fork and mash everything finely together till we almost see no lumps. When it's nice and smooth, we can start the cooking. So like with our pancakes before, we're gonna grease our pan with oil, spread some of our batter. When you can see the nice bubbles, just flip it with a spatula. Wait till it's done and enjoy your vegan pancake.
Alright, that's it for today. So please write me down which recipe was your favorite. And if you like this video, please give it a like. See you next time.